Now let's talk about naming ionic compounds. So remember, there's two types of ionic compounds, and the first type of ionic compounds are the binary compounds. Remember, these are the ones with two elements. Bi meaning two, so they have two elements. So the first step to naming a binary ionic compound is you name the cation. The cation is the first element. It's also the metal. The second step is name the anion. This is the second element. It's also the nonmetal. So an example of this, maybe you have a compound that looks like this. Ca. Okay. So first, name the cation. The cation is calcium. Okay. Now a little note, cations or metals keep the name of the element. The second thing you do is you name the anion. The anion, when you name anions, remember that you need to drop the ending of the element name and add "ide." So Br is bromine, but when I drop the ending, I get bromide. So the anion here is bromide. And so the name of CaBr2, you put them together and you get calcium bromide. So CaBr2 is calcium bromide. Another example might be, oops. So if we have K2O, the first thing we do is we name the cation. K is potassium, and cations keep their element name. And then we name the anion. We've got oxygen is O, but remember we dropped the ending and add "ide, so this is oxide. So K2O is potassium oxide.